Hey guys, today I'm going to do a video on how to boot into safe mode. The PC I'm using here is Windows Server 2019, but it is exactly the same in Windows 10. So the method is to hold the Windows key and press R and type in msconfig. Press OK. And then click on the boot tab. And you will see under boot options, you have safe boot. So if I just tick the box and select OK, and then restart. I'm then going to log our client back in. We can see that we are now logged in safe mode. Turn off safe mode, just do another Windows key R, go back into msconfig, back into the boot tab, and just untick safe mode. And reboot. The second method to get into safe mode is even more simple. You just go to the start menu, hold down the shift key, select the power button and restart. And you can see that this brings you into another menu. If you then just select Troubleshoot, Start Up Settings, then you can restart to change Windows options such as click Restart, and then we can just scroll down to Safe Mode, press OK, log back in, and you can see we are in safe mode. Okay, see you guys.